Hey guys, we are back and today we are going to do a quick test on this. Basically, you guys have been wanting me to mount the video so you guys can go along for a drive with me. So end up getting this mount. It's called the Mob Mount Claw, and it's made for mounting to roll bars or odd spots on cars, motorcycles, handlebars, stuff like that. We'll see how it works out. Looks pretty cool. And should fit up to a 2-inch bar, and I believe mine's 1.75 or so, but we'll check and see. So let's see how it mounts up and if it's a good fit or not. So got it sitting here just for placeholder, but let's go ahead and get in the car and check it out. Seems pretty cool, seems solid, lots of adjustability. All right, so here's the claw. Basically, phone obviously mounts this way. You've got this on the back, and I didn't know if it rotated, but it does rotate 360 degrees on the back, and it has a swivel, so it can go pretty much any direction, so that's cool. The slide has an adjustability feature, so you can adjust for the phone width, and I guess mine be about like right there, so I'll adjust it tentatively. Probably post it up, I'm assuming, right here. Try to be centered as much as possible, and then clamp down. Yeah, that's amazing. So, and then you can also go ahead and adjust the tilt, so the lean angle right here, how much it tilts and stuff, the adjustability. I can tighten it on a clamp back here. I'll show you. Since a lot of times on these videos you don't actually see everything, you can tighten this knob here, and that keeps it from moving easily. So I find my position, tighten it down, and we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and try this thing out. So here's our view. I'm gonna go ahead and check and see if I can do wide angle as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the wide angle view. I think it'll be better overall just to be able to see everything. So I'm gonna turn the camera around because it's on my phone, but we'll see if it works and see if the angle's good. guys let me know how that angle is. The car actually feels a little bit loose on the front end, and I don't know if it's because I don't have canards on the front. When I get up to a little bit higher speed, over 60, 70, it starts to float a little on the front, and it might be because of the cup wing just pulling so hard on the back of the car. I know when I had the Joe toe splitter and the canards up front, it felt more like a suction to the ground, so that could be part of it, I don't know. Well, we're all done. Hope you guys enjoyed the drive, and leave your comments. Let me know what angle you preferred. And yeah, if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys.